Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Random Video Game Repair, where we're going to learn how to repair one random broken game. I can start this, I can do this. Okay, hello everyone and welcome to another video of Random Video Game Repair, where we're going to look at one random broken video game at a time and learn as we go. We're going to spin William the Mystery Game Wheel and see what game he will decide for us to work on today. Take it away, William. Game Boy Color. Close enough. Alright, let's grab the Game Boy Color games and see which one we're going to be working on. There are only 2 games left. This one's missing a screw, so we're going to work on this one. And then we'll have to figure out what to do afterwards, because we're going to have no Game Boy Color games. That'll be interesting. I already have an idea. But in the meantime, let's grab this game. It is Rugrats Paris, the movie. I'm sure we're all expecting this game to be worth $1,000. Plug it in. What's going on here? Is that weird? That feels weird. Oh, I'm stupid. You know why I'm stupid? Game Boy DS game car. This DS will not play Game Boy games. Doy. We have to get a Game Boy Color. And neither one of these have batteries. Only the best AA brand batteries for this channel. Which one should we go with? I think my mate Vince used one of these color Game Boy before. Let's go ahead and use this one. And plug it in. Turn it on. We are missing a Nintendo logo, which is very, very interesting. But we have a picture-perfect copyright symbol. How interesting. Or actually, I think that's a trademark symbol of them. Probably. I don't know. And let's go ahead and look at this now. I think because we have a picture-perfect trademark logo, but no Nintendo logo, that we'll probably have a disruption between the ROM and the contacts. So let's go ahead and check this out. We'll clean the pins up, the contacts, and maybe that's it. I still think we're probably going to have more than something simple, but let's check this out. Grab our expensive high-tech screw organizer. Missed completely. Let's take a look at it. Zoop, zoop, and zoop, and zoop. Okay. Alright, do we see anything obvious yet? I think that's a little hair or something. And nothing yet. This kind of speaks to me right here. Maybe not. We see any issue? Could be the ROM chip for sure. The ROM chips, these ROM chips do tend to have loose pins. Or pens, yeah. Pens? Pins? Pins. I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't even try to understand. Alright, oh, hello. Look at that right there. Interesting. So, right off the bat, our elven eyes see this. That could be a break in the trace. Interesting. All right, well, let's go ahead and clean up these contacts first, which they really don't look bad, but we're going to do it anyways. And then we'll test again, and then we'll go ahead and jump right onto the multimeter and maybe do some probing. Why not? Feel like an actual repair person. But we're going to clean first because we need to eliminate all the variables before we get too ahead of ourselves. And as you guys know, glass stove top cleaner and polish. And just a little bit will do you. And go ahead and get you guys in here a little bit closer. And then go to town. You can actually see the difference. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Go whoop. Pretty cool. Alright. And we're going to go a little bit more. Make sure these contacts are nice and clean. Alright, and that, I think we're okay. I think we're going to go ahead and do some alcohol on it and test it out. And grab that and work on this area. Clear shot of the paper towel. And there we go. That is looking rather nice. Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our case and test it out again. Turn it on. And we are still having that missing Nintendo logo. So let's go ahead and check that out again. Let's go ahead and see about, let's look at this area again. So we are looking at this area. I think that there's going to be a broken trace there. Let's go ahead and grab the multimeter. So let's go ahead and check and see if this is giving continuity. All right, every time the red and black probe touch, they beep. Am I being stupid? What is happening here? Should be. Why aren't you working? Steven, what is wrong with you? What in the world is happening? Okay, we got non-continuity, right? I mean, that's continuity. And that changes. That goes to 1. That goes to nothing. Nothing. What is happening? In the wrong area? Oh, apparently I had to put this one into this area. Yeah, okay. We are going to future-proof this. Red, black. There we go. Red, black. Perfect. Now we know what to do in the future. Now, as I was saying, in continuity mode, we get a beep from one end to the other. So, now let's go ahead and get on down in here. And then our break, I think we've got a break between this point and somewhere down here. Okay, yeah, I think we do have a break because should be getting a beep. Oh, might have a break here, and we might have a break here. So if we put our probe here, we should get a beep somewhere, I think. You know what? We're just going to go straight up to the microscope, because I have a feeling that we're going to see something a lot more dramatic than what we're looking at right here. So we're going to go ahead and turn Steven off. Grab our board, grab our SD card, go ahead and record some video of the microscope, and see what we can see. To the Batcave. And here we go. Yeah, that first pin over here was for sure loose. That was crazy. That thing bent like nobody's business. So yeah, I can safely say that we had a loose pin on the ROM chip. Go ahead and put it back in its case and test it out. And will it work? Nintendo logo. Picture perfect. And there we go. It's got the boot screen. There we go. Can finally see some detail. If I put the Game Boy at an angle. That's what we had to do as kids out there suffering. Rugrats in Paris. Option control pad. What's the difference? Use control pad. Oh, difficulty 1, 2. Difficulties 1 and 2. Star options, password. That's a lot of text. The Rugrats are in Europe. Wait. Euro Reptar Land, that's what it is. What is that font? They see the princess and decide she'd be a perfect mom for Chucky. Help them find the princess. She's on the balcony of a big castle. Then you need to go to Nosy Dame to stop Coco's wedding. Oh my gosh. What? Huh? Here? No? Here. Press the A button to feed the googie creatures. Press left, right, up and down to aim for different what? Toes? Am I reading that right? Are you guys reading that right? Toes? What is this? Toes? T-O-W-S. Weird. Okay, well. Hit the ninjas for extra points for a start. Oh, good heavens. What is happening on the screen? What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go to the different area. Quick. Oh, good heavens. You have to get that just the right angle, otherwise you cannot see anything. Let's go here. No, let's go here. Select the right up and down to move the Reptar mallet. Press the A button to bash the moles. Moles with helmets cannot be hit. Oh, yeah. Right? No? What? Got him. We did it. Okay, I'm done. Well, that's Rugrats in Paris the movie. The 90s game if I've ever seen one. Where did our screw go? I have no idea where anything went. Where is our organizer? Done. Let's see how much this game is worth. All right, I have looked the game up, and it is about worth $8, maybe 10 on a good day. So it's got some also labelware. I might throw it up. Yeah, let's throw the game up. I might throw the game up on eBay and for $10, maybe. I don't know. I might throw it into the personal collection. Would I ever play it? Probably not. But, you know, at least it would be part of the collection and not part of the procrastination pile. So, well, we got another one done. This one isn't too bad. You know, did a little soldering in this one. Still have to improve. But hey, thank you guys for watching and God bless.